Hello, hi Eric.
Mm.
Thanks a lot for your time, and I'm very impressed. With what you have been doing and what path you want to choose. But please share, a bit more about, what brought you to this world of network states and new countries, intentional communities, free cities, private cities. So just share, your journey. How you came up to this.
Wow, it's a long story. I guess I'm like a hardware engineer, entrepreneur, so I had multiple startups, and in all of those companies, the leading issue was always coordination and people. So when I discovered crypto, I wasn't that interested in the finance, but I was really interested in the DAOs and the coordination of people at scale. So doing more research on that, I found the network states, and I just started exploring and finding very different paths towards a network state. There are so many ways to achieve the vision, but I think there's a big community of people who are trying to achieve that vision with very different means. That's what's interesting to me.
Thanks a lot. Very impressive. And what do you think? What is the main challenge that these new establishments are facing? What would they need most? Ideology, infrastructure, through on ground traction. What is the main thing that is missing in all this new world that we are living in?
Well, any new projects, usually the issue is the unknown unknowns. So it's what people don't know. So coming with the background of hardware, I got really interested in DeepIn, so the decentralized infrastructure, and I can see that the hardware side of things is missing in many of those projects who start in the cloud, right? They coordinate online on Discord, but they don't really think about the land and the infrastructure and the energy, all the resources they're gonna need. So simple things like medical care. We've seen like insurances starting to appear in the DAO world. People are starting to think about like work insurance, like how do you take your leaves, these sort of things. But we're still very early when it comes to like medical insurance, for example. So, for example, I'm diabetic. I need insulin. Where do I find this insulin once I join like a idealistic network state? The piece of infrastructure is very hard to build.
Definitely, I definitely agree what you say, and I think most new establishments are facing this issue. But where do you see like a rapid solution to a problem prompt, or you don't think that it will be very fast? To find a solution to all these challenges. How do you see the path forward?
I think technology is exponential, so we don't see the solution yet, but they're gonna come up really fast. Like we know NFTs are like unique tokens, so any certificate or membership or approval. We talked about the example of reliability, where people just get a stamp, which is like a certificate of conformity for a piece of hardware. These will be from day one automated and very easy to make. So a lot of the hard things that are coming up will be solved way faster than we can think. That's the beauty of this space, right? Everything is really fast and exponential. It's even hard to keep up on like how many solutions are already alive and working right now.
Amazing. And just question to you, to your own path. Where do you see yourself within the network state world? Within this new establishment world. uh, do you see yourself building your own thing, or you see yourself just finding the right project and joining in where you can accomplish your goals?
I think there's so many groups already. I'd rather join people who have the same values and the same vision. Um, what I'm bringing is not the full picture. There are some things I'm good at, and I can help with that. So at this stage, I just want to explore the network state. I already have some piece of infrastructure and see how we can decentralize that or improve it, make it more scalable, helping probably all the network states in the world to use the same models to improve their own infrastructure. Because it's all about sharing and doing like open source developments. If everyone can use the same decentralized ideas, then everything will be faster.
Awesome. Then good luck, and I hope together we are going to build a better world. Good luck and thank you, and let's keep in touch. Thank you.